and welcome back to Techie Stack channel. Today we'll try to explore one more topic, which is related to the VBA, and the topic is how we can fetch all the sheets. So with the help of macros, which is called VBA. So as of now, it's having one sheet. So let me go to developer tab and visual section. So come here and write the code. So subject is the procedure which we need to give the standard, and I'm giving the name fetch all sheets. Okay, once it's done, automatically end subject will come. So this is a procedure. So now what I want to fetch these sheets. So for that, I'm using for each. So we don't know how many sheets are available. So that's why we are going with the for each WKB. So WKB is by default, it will act as a workbook. So if you want, you can change some X, whatever it may be. So as of now, I'm going with the WKB, which is nothing but the workbook for each WKB in this workbook dot sheets. Okay, just hit enter and downside you can give the next. So this is a for each syntax. So just for each syntax. So in that syntax you can update the statements 1, 2, 3, 7 and so on. So now I'm going with the message box. So here if you want to update the message box, just type mstpox of you can give this data. So what I want to fetch, so I want to fetch the name, name of this workbook. I mean name of the sheets. WKB dot just control plus space. You can see something else. Let it be not a problem. So give this WKB dot name and save it. After that, if you want to run at once, you can run or you can run in the debug mode. So if you want to run in debug mode, just press F8. So I'm going with the debug mode. So you can see this. My sheet name is came. Sheets and so for example, if I add some couple of sheets, let me add the couple of sheets here. So I mentioned that 10 sheets are there. So when I run this, if you want to run all at once, press F5 or click on this play button. So you can see this sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. It will come. So right now, if you don't want to display the sheet 3, for example, then you can give the one if condition. So if it have the statement as if and if. So this is a statement. Okay, let me come to this if condition. If WKB dot name so not equals to which sheet I don't want to print. I don't want to print this sheet number 2. Let it be for the sheet number 2. Then and if okay. So this should be the inside. So if it is not equal to sheet 2, then only it should come inside. If it is equal to sheet 2, then don't want to come inside. Just I don't want to print anything. So this is a syntax. So let me go one by one. So first sheet name is a sheet one, it satisfied the condition, then it came. Second sheet is a sheet two, which is our condition satisfied. Sheet two, I don't want to print. So rest of the things it will print sheet 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So this is a way how we can fetch the all the sheets and how we can skip the specific sheets. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.